conventions. Actually, the last contested Republican nomination fight was 1976. A lot of us were in Kansas City when that happened. There was a lot of excitement. But you and Mitt Romney didn't want that kind of excitement. What do you say to the Ron Paul supporters who are very disappointed tonight?
Well, you know, let's understand fundamentally what the concern of the party is. Iowa's a great example. Mitt Romney and Rick Santorum each got about 35% of the vote, 70% of the vote, and the rest was distributed amongst the other candidates. Ron Paul's numbers were close to single digit. But they go and they cram the next caucus part of it, and they, in essence, come away with all the Iowa votes. That undermines the vote of 1 million Iowans who went to the caucus, and that's not fair. And so they like to abuse the process, in my opinion, when it serves them. But when people follow the rules, as we did here, and they got upset at the Rules Committee, but the vote on the issue they were concerned about was 78 to 14. They really have nothing to complain about.
Do you think it's going to be hard to get them to be enthusiastic about Mitt Romney after this fight? Was this just a dust-up, or is it something more important?
No, I think it's a dust-up. I think Ron Paul himself is smart enough to know that this country can't be saved unless we get rid of this president. And I think he will be very helpful in the long run.